Sing.
Bless up, bless up. Ronaldo. Case. Yeah. Kilani. All a rally school student them. Yeah, we come for help out. Yeah, on the farm. You don't know. Everybody will partake. Yeah. Yellow legend.
We love the channel. We love the channel.
Bless up, bless up, bless up. Yes, people, we're there once more. Rally school. Yeah. We are preparing rally to farming area to plant some vegetable. Yeah, for the school. So let me introduce to you guys. This is my mom right here. And that's my we call it now mother-in-law right there. And this is my wife right here. And this is the legend right here. Yeah man, so we are preparing a nice area to plant some vegetable and something. So yeah, that's how it is, you know. Always help out the school in any way we can. The place is kind of stony, so we have to take with time and prepare the spot. So we have to do it to put food and dirt, you know? Food have to eat. Yeah. This is my son, Casey. Yeah. And this is Kilani. Cousin. His cousin. Yeah, man. And Amaya.
Yes.
Right there. Pick up yourself, Amaya. Alright. Yeah, don't try this at home. This is a party leg. You just catch him and take out the sting. Yeah.
God.
You have to be.
Here, people, don't try it at home.
Don't try this at home, okay? Yeah.
Look there. Well.
This is Sniper.
This guy is crazy.
No, I'm not crazy. Yeah, so far we clean up this area right here. We are gonna plant some pop chow and callaloo for the school. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bless up. This is party leg.
We call it, and its right name is centipede.
Centipede.
And we call it party leg.
Get some touches.
So beautiful. Don't try this at home. Go girl, roll that wheel. Yeah, yeah. Here comes, here comes. You gonna sow some seed in it? Yeah. Fill it up with some dirt, get some dirt from wherever, and sow some seed in it. Yeah. This is another creature from the earth. It's an earth cockroach, eh? This is the way they hide beneath. Today is Jamaica Day, and family and I bake some bakings for the school. You don't know, I support we say unity as always. Yeah, this is some coconut cake. Yeah, and you don't know, these are the good old toto. Yeah. Yes, people, we are here sowing some seed. It's up by Rural Hill School, so we can get them to transplant. Yeah, and this is pak chai. Yeah, and that's a lovely pepper tree right there. And guess what? I plant a jackfruit tree and a pear tree. This here is a jackfruit tree. Yeah. And this one right here is a beautiful pear tree, avocado. Yeah. Right at the fence side. So when it grow, it don't take up any space to that. It does the right at the fence side, just like that beautiful ackee tree down there.
So what you planting?
Yeah, these are pop chow. Yeah, so I saw them plant. If you don't know.
Now we're gonna plant some pumpkin seed.